Welcome to Waliku. In this video, we'll introduce you to Waliku Admin. By the end of this video, you'll understand what Waliku Admin is, how access works, and how to find your way around. What is Waliku Admin? Waliku Admin is the web-based admin platform for managing schools, staff, and learner data, used across both formal and non-formal education settings. It works alongside Waliku Class, our Android app used for daily attendance and learning outcomes, and connects with other tools in the Waliku ecosystem, including Kobo for data collection, Power BI for reporting, and the Waliku Field app, currently in development. Who has access? Access follows a hierarchy: country, province, district, school, and, for projects using Waliku Class, teacher as well. This hierarchy is configurable depending on the project. Someone above you in this hierarchy sets up your account and assigns your role. A user can also be assigned multiple roles. For example, since only the teacher role can access Waliku Class, a field team member who needs that access may be assigned both their actual role and a teacher role. If you have multiple roles, you'll be prompted to select one at login. First, login. The first time you log in, you'll be prompted to change your password. Just follow the on-screen steps. If you forget your password later, contact your project focal point or the Waliku team to reset it. Menu overview. There are 4 main sections: school management, where you handle schools, users, learners, and academic setup; staff management, for staff attendance and substitute assignments; report, where you can view and compare school, class, and child level reports; and settings, for configuration like notifications, page access, and data exports. As mentioned, what you actually see here, down to specific screens, depends on your role. Setup order. The setup order can vary by project, but a common sequence is school, then academic year, then staff/users, then class, then learners. Logging out. If you're done using the app, especially on a shared device, click your username in the top right, then click Logout. If you run into any issues, reach out in your project WhatsApp group or contact the Waliku team. Next, check out our school management series, starting with Add School.